Fiber. So now let's talk about where our fiber comes from. If you try to touch the different fabric around you, you will find that each feels and looks different. Some might be soft and light, while others might be smooth and silky. Some fabrics are rough when you touch them, while others might feel and look thick and warm. How different fabric feel and look depends upon the type of fiber that they are made from. Fibers, they are different too, according to where they come from. Fibers that we obtain from nature are called natural fibers. Now, natural fibers could be obtained from plants or they could be obtained from animals. The fibers that we get from plants are called plant fibers. Some examples of which are cotton, jute. The fibers that we get from animals are wool and silk. So all of these, they come from nature. So let's have a closer look at these natural fibers. Cotton is the most widely used fiber of all. Do you know where cotton comes from? It comes from the fruit of the cotton plant that is grown in warm places with black soil. They are also called cotton balls and are the size of a lemon. When these fruits mature, they burst open, exposing their seeds that are covered with hair. This seed hair is the cotton fiber. Now, this cotton fiber is processed to make cotton fabric. If you see the cotton fields when the cotton fruit is ripe and ready for picking, it looks like a field of snow. Cotton is mostly picked by hand. The fiber is separated from the seeds by a combing process called ginning. Earlier, ginning was done by hand, but now we have machines that are called cotton gins. Now these cotton gins, they separate the cotton fiber from its seeds quickly and more efficiently. Jute. Jute fiber comes from the bast or stem, mostly outer skin of the jute plant. Warm and wet climates are more suitable for the growth of the jute plant. Jute stems are cut at ground level and then piled in bundles. These bundles are immersed in water and left for a few days till the fiber comes loose from the stems. The fibers are then stripped out from the stems. They are then washed and dried. Silk. Silk comes from the cocoon of a silkworm. The most common type of silk produced is from the cocoon of the larva of the mulberry silkworms. The silkworm feeds on mulberry leaves. It feeds for 35 days, after which it spins a cocoon of silk. The cocoons are then thrown in boiling water. The silk filament is then unwound from the cocoons and reeled. The raising of silkworms to produce silk is called sericulture. Wool. Now, wool again is an animal fiber. It was the first animal fiber that was made into cloth. Do you know where wool comes from? Wool is obtained from the hair of sheep, goat, rabbits, and camels. We even get some special kind of wool from the hair of yaks. But most of the wool that we use for our garments comes from sheep. In most parts of the world, sheep are given a haircut once a year. This process is called shearing. The sheared wool is used to make sweaters, coats, jackets, socks, and even blankets.